Well, I'm suffering from a little bit of pain. I pulled a muscle, or I don't know, it's right in my back, lower right hand side of my back. It is like a pulled muscle, and it hurts to just raise my arm up. Um, I want to be able to concentrate on this clay, and if I'm going to be battling some pain, I'm just not going to be able to concentrate like I should. Um, I really want this clay to work out this mountain man. I think what I'm going to do is take some time today and find a rifle that he would be holding and scale it to him so it doesn't look too big or too small. I also want to do some sketches for his face and look at some photographs of bearded older gentlemen and see if I can't come up with something that will inspire this face. All right, everybody. Hopefully I'll be here tomorrow, but if I'm not, you'll know why. And if I'm not here tomorrow, I'll be here Wednesday, hopefully. All right. Good night, everybody. I know it's 4th of July week, and many of you are going to be traveling. And if you are, I hope you're safe. And if you're lighting off fireworks, be careful. You can have an accident with them. All right, everybody. Good night. Till next time.